देखिए, अभी आप फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल और सेकंड डिग्री अल्कोहल को पढ़ चुके हैं। अभी हम जाने वाले हैं आपको थर्ड डिग्री अल्कोहल में, जिसमें हम लोग फिर स्टडी करते हैं और उसके बाद हम फिज़िकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ में चले जाएंगे। लेकिन मैं आप लोगों से एक आग्रह करता हूं कि कोई भी वीडियोग्राफिक स्टडी करने से पहले आप ज़रूर उसे सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें तथा शेयर करने की कोशिश करें। उससे हमारे ऑनलाइन क्लास की वैल्यूएशन बढ़ जाएगी और कुछ प्रसिद्धियां भी मिलती है। नाउ मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल type. There are three types of monohydric alcohol in which we study about replacing of hydrogen atom from an organic compound. On that basis we define the monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol is a compound that containing only and only one OH functional group in them is called monohydric alcohol. There are three types. One is primary alcohol, second secondary अल्कोहल, तीसरा टर्शियरी अल्कोहल। Now I am coming to the primary alcohol. There are three types of monohydric alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Now I am going to touch the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is also known as first degree alcohol. First degree alcohol when one hydrogen atom is replaced from a compound and substituted by OH functional group, one OH functional group is called first degree alcohol. Example: CH4 replaced 1H added by 1 OH functional group, then it may say CH3OH. Here methyl CH3 is methyl, the first radical bond OH, that is hydroxymethane. hydroxymethane, C2H6 replacing 1H due to substitution of replacing H and substituted by 1H produce C2H5OH, that is R2OH. ethyl अल्कोहल और हाइड्रोक्सी इथेन और एथेनल. It is also known as methanol. Methanol. These all are the first degree alcohol, and first degree alcohol is known as primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is an organic compound in which 1H is replaced from a saturated hydrocarbon and substituted by only one OH functional group. Similarly, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, pentyl alcohol, these are the monohydric alcohol and their type primary alcohol, and replacing of 1H from an alkane is called first degree alcohol. एक हाइड्रोजन के एल्केन के ग्रुप से निकल जाना और एक OH का जुड़ना फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल कहलाती है. Now come to know about the cyclic compound, that is also related with first degree alcohol, primary alcohol in form of monohydric alcohol as C6H6 replaced one hydrogen added by one and only one OH functional group that produce C6H5OH. Here C6H6 is benzene. And this C6H5 is benzyl. Therefore, benzene, this closed system by alternating of double and single bond, when released one H and added by one OH functional group, then it produces benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is also known as hydroxybenzene. And hydroxybenzene is also known as benzenol, and benzenol is also known as phenol. In primary alcohol, you have to study about replacing of one H and substituted by one OH functional group is called primary alcohol, first degree alcohol of monohydric alcohol. जब किसी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड से एक हाइड्रोजन का निकलने से और उसमें बॉन्ड OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप एक और केवल एक जुड़ने से जो कंपाउंड बनता है, उस कंपाउंड को हम मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल के प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, जिसे हम फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल कहते हैं, एक हाइड्रोजन के निकलने से के कारण हम प्राइमरी अल्कोहल को फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल कहते हैं. सेकेंड डिग्री अल्कोहल. नाउ in monohydric alcohol we have come to know about secondary alcohol. This secondary alcohol is defined as replacing of 2H from a compound due to added by 2 and only 2 functional group is called secondary alcohol, and replacing of 2 and only 2 hydrogen atom from a compound. So this monohydric alcohol is known as secondary alcohol or second degree alcohol. तो आपके सामने सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल को हम डिफाइन करने की कोशिश करते हैं. अल्कोहल दैट इज 2 डिग्री यानी सेकेंड डिग्री अल्कोहल. पहले भी हम डिफिनेशन डाल दिए हैं कि जब किसी एल्केन के कंपाउंड से 2 हाइड्रोजन के निकलने के कारण उसमें 2 फंक्शनल ग्रुप OH को ऐड करने से जो कंपाउंड बनता है, ऐसे कंपाउंड मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल के सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल कहलाते हैं. और 2 हाइड्रोजन का एक साथ निकलने के कारण हम उसे सेकेंड डिग्री अल्कोहल कहते हैं. जैसे देख लीजिए C2H6 replaced 2H added by 2OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप. जितने हाइड्रोजन निकले उतने OH का जुड़ना, दैट इज C2H4OH होल 2. इसको यदि हम स्ट्रक्चर में देखते हैं तो CH2OH CH2OH that can be written as CH2OH bond CH2OH. That is called glycol. Glycol, or it is also known as or by the number of carbon atom and by the number of functional group OH is called dihydroxy इथेन. 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम के रिप्लेस होने से 2 OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप का जुड़ना इसे डाईहाइड्रोक्सी इथेन बनाता है, जिसको हम केमिस्ट्री की भाषा में ग्लाइकॉल कहते हैं। उसी प्रकार हाइड्रोजन से इथेन से 2 हाइड्रोजन का एक साथ निकलना, उसको सेकेंड डिग्री अल्कोहल कहते हैं। सेकेंड डिग्री अल्कोहल इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल ऑफ मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल। उसी प्रकार हम प्रोपेन को देखते हैं कि प्रोपेन से कौन से कंपाउंड बनते हैं। मैकेनिज्म बताती है कि जब किसी एल्केन सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन से एक साथ दो हाइड्रोजन एटम का निकलने से और एक साथ दो OH फंक्शनल ग्रुप के जुड़ने से जो कंपाउंड बनती है, ऐसे कंपाउंड को हम मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल के सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल कहते हैं। दैट इज हियर CH2OH CH2OH means when we derived it in condensed form, we get this form. So therefore OH is present in both sides in first carbon atom, then 1 2 3, that is known as 1,3-diol propane. Dihydroxypropane. This is the second degree alcohol. Students, you have studied about the alcohol, in which we define you the GF, Lewis structure, dash structure, and their types. Types are monohydric, dihydric, and trihydric, in which we define all the hydric alcohol. Especially now with you the monohydric alcohol. There are 3 types: for primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol is also known as first degree alcohol, secondary alcohol is second degree alcohol, and tertiary alcohol is third degree alcohol. Now I am going to study about third degree alcohol. Third degree alcohol is also known as tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol, in which we study about how many number of alcohol is present in a compound. So we come to know about the symbol of tertiary alcohol, that is third bond CO. Sorry for interruption during the class. Third degree alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol. How can we finding out or identify that this alcohol is third degree alcohol? For this, we have some mechanism that is when three hydrogen atom is displaced due to substitution of 3OH functional group. 3OH functional group is called third degree alcohol. Now here watch C2H6. When we detached 3H and added 3OH functional group, then it conformed as C2H3OH whole 3. Their constitutional functions are as Now the second example, C3H8 by the substitution of 3H, 3 hydrogen atom added by 3OH functional group, then it confirm about the structure C3H5OH whole 3. A structure to be given here, OH, OH, OH. Here CH2OH, CHOH, OH and CH2OH. This type of structure you have also studied in the trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol, in which we with you explain about their IUPAC name and its common name. When we derived it CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH means 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3 triol propane. Triol propane. And it is also written in the field of chemistry, also write it glycerol, that is glycerin. that is glycerin. Similarly, you can also produce replacement of 3H from an alkane added by 3OH functional group and produce so many third degree alcohol. Here the above example C2H3OH whole 3 that can be written as in form of IUPAC, that is CHOH whole 2. Now the IUPAC can be written where the density of OH is much larger. Density of OH is much larger. So here is the density of OH in number 2 in the right. So we number 1 and 2. That is also written 1 diol 2-ol ethane, 2-ol ethane, but this name is written as triol ethane. Triol ethane. At first there is some ambiguous case in front of you, that how can I or one can determine the such type of composition of a chemical compound is said to be as third degree alcohol. Third degree alcohol means detaching of 3H from an alkane and added by 3OH functional group. So it is known as third degree alcohol. Mainly detaching of 3H is called third degree, and third degree alcohol after adding of 3OH functional group. Now tomorrow I will meet you at the same time about the chemical and physical properties of alcohol, some of the conversion, how to change alcohol into the aldehyde, how to alcohol change into the oic acid, and how to alcohol is changed into many of functional group compound as NH2CN and so many. Lastly, the class of first degree, second degree and third degree alcohol is very eminent and important question for incoming examination, either of the academic examination or competitive examination. You are requested to view the channel regularly and also subscribe the video online class, like and also share with your friend and relatives. Why subscriptions and sharing takes place in the online class? Because one can get name and fame due to support of such type of students and viewers. Thanking you.